What songs were the Dubliners' festival staples? When you think about the vibrant atmosphere of Irish festivals, certain songs by the Dubliners come to mind. These tunes have become essential parts of celebrations across Ireland. The Dubliners, a legendary Irish folk band that started in Dublin in 1962, are famous for their lively performances and authentic renditions of traditional Irish music. Their songs capture the spirit of Irish culture and bring people together during festivals. One of the most beloved songs is the Irish Rover. This lively tune tells the story of a mythical ship and its crew. It is often performed with the Pogues and is a crowd favorite due to its upbeat tempo and engaging storytelling. Another festival staple is Seven Drunken Nights. This song features humorous lyrics about a man's drunken escapades and is celebrated for its catchy chorus that invites everyone to sing along. Whiskey in the Jar is another classic that festival-goers love. This traditional ballad narrates the tale of a highwayman betrayed by his lover. Its memorable melody and storytelling make it a must-hear at any gathering. Then there is The Wild Rover, a timeless folk tune about a man returning home after spending all his money on drinking. Audiences often sing this one with great enthusiasm. The Black Velvet Band tells the story of a man's downfall due to a woman's trickery. Its engaging narrative and melody make it a festival favorite. Raglan Road is a beautiful ballad based on a poem by Patrick Kavanagh. It is known for its emotional depth and is often performed during more reflective moments at festivals. Another song that holds a special place in Irish culture is The Parting Glass. Traditionally sung as a farewell at the end of gatherings, it resonates with many who attend these celebrations. Other notable songs that regularly feature in their performances include Dirty Old Town, Molly Malone, The Fields of Athenry, Dicey Riley, Finnegan's Wake, and The Rare Auld Times. These songs showcase a blend of storytelling, history, and the Irish spirit that connects deeply with festival audiences. For travelers attending Irish festivals, hearing these songs live offers an authentic experience of Ireland's musical heritage. The Dubliners' music, with its mix of lively drinking songs, heartfelt ballads, and spirited tunes, remains a vital part of Irish festival culture and a highlight for anyone exploring Ireland's rich traditions.